Nokia Mobile have just announced 4 new devices. And the general theme of the announcement was the renewed focus on pushing boundaries in sustainability and longevity. Now, one device in particular ticks almost every box that I asked for in a previous video, so that's pretty exciting. But let's start with the most affordable of the bunch, the Nokia C31. This entry-level smartphone comes with a large 6.7-inch HD Plus display and a 5050 mAh battery, which Nokia says should be good for up to 3 days of usage on a single charge. And there are triple rear cameras on the back. The main shooter here is a 13 megapixel sensor, and you also get a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro camera. On the front there is a 5 megapixel camera, and all cameras are using the Camera by Google app, which should help capture awesome pictures. The highlight of this device really is that it ships out of the box with Android 12 and is promised 2 years of security updates. It's also supposed to be durable and has an IP52 dust and splash resistance rating. It's going to be priced at around $130 and it's aimed at first-time smartphone buyers. Next up is the new top-of-the-range device in the G series, the Nokia G60. This device slots above last year's G50 and comes with a nice set of features for a pretty competitive price of around $320. It also has some nice sustainability elements, like the back for example, which is made out of 100% recycled plastic, while its plastic frame is also 60% recycled. It comes powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, and the maximum memory configuration you can get on this is 6GB of RAM and 128GB of built-in storage. That's UFS 2.2 fast storage, which is nice. On the front there is a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. There are also triple cameras on the back, with the main one being a new 50 megapixel sensor and a 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The camera has some neat tricks up its sleeve, such as dark vision, which helps capture better low-light images in extremely dim situations. And it also has something called capture fusion, which helps capture better ultra-wide images because it combines between the images from the main sensor and its ultra-wide sensor for the details in the center of the image. The G60 will also come with a 4500 mAh battery that can be charged at a speed of up to 20 watts. Nokia Mobile is also saying it's good for up to 800 recharge cycles without losing significant battery health. So that's an aspect that's been done here to improve the longevity of the device. Other than that, you're getting stock Android 12 out of the box here with 3 years of OS updates promised and 3 years of security updates too. And it comes in 2 color options, either pure black or ice gray, which I have over here. Now for the range topper and my personal favorite, the new Nokia X30. This is a fairly compact premium mid-ranger that will sit above last year's X20. It will be priced at launch at around the $500 mark, and its key features include a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that comes with 90Hz refresh rate and can get up to 700 nits of maximum brightness. An aluminum frame that's 100% recycled and a plastic back that's 65% recycled. A focus on durability with IP67 water and dust resistance and Gorilla Glass Victus on the front. A PureView branded large 1/1.56-inch 50 megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization and a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera. It also comes with its own cool software tricks for the camera, such as dark vision, super portrait, and capture fusion. Inside is a 4200 mAh battery, which is good for up to 800 recharge cycles according to Nokia Mobile, without losing significant battery health. And its charging speed tops out at 33 watts. The phone also comes with stock Android 12 out of the box and is promised 3 years of OS updates and 3 years of security updates. It comes powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. The X30 should be available in 2 colors. You have cloudy blue, which I have over here, and ice white. And I've seen both of them in person, and trust me, they're both really nice. I'm gonna have a more in-depth look at the X30, as I think this is definitely gonna be my new daily driver, so do keep an eye out for that. And last but not least, the T20 gets a successor in the form of the Nokia T21. This one comes with a lot of the same ingredients that we saw with last year's T20, but with a slightly better processor, this time the Unisoc T612. It also has stylus support in the form of Wacom 2.0 compatibility, and it can play Netflix HD content unlike its predecessor. It ships with stock Android 12 out of the box, and you're promised 2 years of OS updates for it. You can also connect it to a PC or a desktop and use it as a second screen, which is quite useful. So you get all of these features on top of the 10.4-inch 2K display, dual speakers, and 8200 milliamps battery, which this time around can be charged with a speed of up to 18 watts. And the maximum memory configuration has also been raised, so you can now get it in a 128 gigabytes of built-in storage version, and the LTE version can now support voice calls. The T21 should be priced around $230 depending on where you live. And you can expect availability for all of these devices around the globe to be sometime around October. Now, outside of these devices, Nokia also announced 2 new accessories: the Nokia Clarity Earbuds 2 Pro and the Nokia Portable Wireless Speaker 2. Now, for the full spec sheet of everything that I've mentioned here, check out nokiamob.net, where we'll have everything laid out nicely for you. And I would also love to hear what you guys think about all the new devices that were announced today. Are you looking forward to any of them? Do share your thoughts in the comments below. For my hands-on with the very exciting Nokia X30, check out my video here, or check out my latest upload here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you're enjoying my content, and I shall see you in the next one.